Iyan mo na, kasi mag-iiyak pa siya dun. Yeah, you are now on live. You are live now here. Dito, ah, pink. Oh, you put them together, Juliana? Hala, Juliana, here you go, you have to put it here ni kailangan ng are you gonna put it oo. See, need to be there. 'Wag mahulog. Ni please, grandma. Yan. Yeah, they're talking to you now. Hi, guys. How are you? Di ka usama. You need purple? Yeah, so now, are you gonna teach grandma how to do it? You have to teach grandma how to do it. Hindi pa, kakaano pa lang. Niya? Namatay din pala si Inchik. Inchik yung kapatid niya. Sandali, hindi, eh, pasalamat ka na lang. Hindi natin alam anong ano ng Diyos. Ah, okey. As grandma, hindi natin alam ang ano ng Diyos. Sino bang nakakaalam? Kaya nagsisimba nga tayo. Pink, hindi ko alam. Magkano yung ipad mo? Hindi ko alam, mother. Pink. Oo, ganun talaga ang buhay. There's no question. That's why I always encourage you guys to go to church, 'di ba? Yun ang inaano kay Auntie Piling, sinasabi. Oo nga. Oo, wag na natin banggitin yung mga hindi magaganda. Yeah, there's nothing more. That's why keep on going to church. Mhm. 'Di ba? Gilana, hmm, you have to put it here. Yung mother lagay mo dito yung mga bilog mo.